Hi friends, welcome to another day in my vlog. I hope you're all doing good and fine and healthy and safe. As usual, my morning starts with the oatmeal for my husband. So I'm just preparing that. And then I made the idli dosha batter the previous day and I had put it for fermentation. So that's the batter is ready. So I'm just preparing my molds to put the batter. My weekday morning usually starts with the idli and sambar, chutney, whatever we prefer that day. So that's what we had in the morning. And then as usual, my tea. Without my tea, my morning doesn't go very well. So I don't go for a very strong tea. And then I had a pickup of my thyroid medicine. I have thyroid, so I went to pick up that at the pharmacy. So I'm waiting in line. He was there with me. So that's how we pick up the medicines at the drugstore here. And then later we went to Costco. Costco is like a wholesale place where you get all the items in bulk. So whichever you want, you can buy it for your use. So that's the gas station at Costco. That's how we fill up the petrol in the way. So here we don't have any help there. We fill it up ourselves in our cars. After that, we all got masked up and we're just going inside Costco to pick up our monthly grocery. We go monthly. So that's how it looks inside. I'll just show you through my lenses how Costco looks from inside. So here you'll get everything, your household requirements, from your fan to your vegetables to your electronics to your bathroom requirements to your kitchen requirements to clothes, shoes, vegetables, dairy, like that, n number of things. It's a big place. It's a wholesale. Some things are price worthy, some things might be costly to you. So whichever is good for us. What we buy from here, I'll show you, like what we purchased today from Costco. So not all the things that's what, like this is the Instapot that once I had bought from Costco. I had showed you in another vlog that I use Instapot. So like that, some things. I have this air fryer is what I bought from Costco that I use at home. So like that, some things are there which are worth buying, and Costco is one place where you buy something, it's trustworthy. They keep things that are very good and worth the price. Sometimes you might feel it's very costly, but then the items that they keep there for sale is all very good. That's why most of us, we buy things. If it's pricey also, we sometimes buy it. So clothes, I even checked out some clothes for my daughter. This is the planting section. You have all the seeds and everything. It's summer is coming, so now all the seeds and everything is available in Costco. And that's one section where all the ladies will definitely check out. I definitely check out every time. It's not that we can buy that easily. The jewelry section, it's always nice to check out the designs and everything each time. So I was just checking out all the designs that's there. So that's the vegetable area where we get all the fruits, all vegetable, but it all comes in bulk. So if you can really finish them, it's worth picking up. So that's the fruits. All the fruits, but it all comes in big packs. So we usually buy 2 types of fruit each time when we go. That's the onions. This onion is what we buy every time from here. That goes a long time. The potatoes. So the cakes and the muffins. We don't buy these ones because it's really too big for us to finish it off. So if we want to eat it, we buy it from the other grocery store that comes in small packs. So we always check out fruits and vegetables from here because that's consumable and we use it on daily basis. That's the seafood and the meat section. That's the dairy. We buy milk and eggs from here. And that's all the cleaning materials like the soap, the toilet cleaner, or the tissue papers, rolls. That usually goes, once we buy it, it goes for a long time. So I did not pick up this time because I had it at home. That's already in use, and I have it for a good time. So we were done from here, and now we were checking out. So they actually, Costco has just opened self billing section, so this is more easy. We don't have to wait much in line. So we actually bought washing machine also for our house from Costco, because we feel it's a good deal. Like all these things, it's a good deal from Costco because we have a warranty and all those things on that. So we finished our Costco shopping and we were heading back home. So it's a one-stop place where you can spend time with family and check out everything. So because there's a lot of things that there in Costco, and plus we have a house this time, so we always check out whatever new things come. If it's good, we buy. So like that, Costco's a good place to check out. And now we're heading back home. So when we reached home, I was busy cooking, so we had ordered mixed tiles. So that had come, so he was sticking that. He was just checking out. This is how it came out. Some more I want to order, so it's on the way. So I cooked my food and we had a vegetable pulao and gobi manchurian. So that's what we had checked out from Costco today. So this is what basically I check out. That's the oatmeal that every morning you see me cook, and that's the almond, sliced almond I use for oats. And this is something I use for my kids. Especially my son loves it in the milk. He doesn't like much of white milk. So then in fruits, we had taken strawberry and watermelon, but strawberry was over. By the time when we reached home, they wanted strawberry that time. And that's the pancake mix that I buy. And this is something that's very useful for me because I have white countertop, so I use it for my bathroom and kitchen cleaning. And that's my laundry liquid for washing my clothes. This brand is what I prefer. We don't prefer much of too much of fragrance. That's a coconut oil I buy from Costco. It's useful for my cooking and even for me and my daughter's hair. I use it. And quinoa, this is basically I use it for making idlis or sometimes a quinoa pulav, something like. So that's something I use in my house all the time. Lemonade, my kids wanted it because it's almost sunny, so they like to drink it sometimes in the evenings. There's something new I tried this time. It's avocado oil. So my husband wanted to try it, so we bought it. I don't know how it tastes. This is something I've got after 1 year because it was hardly available in Costco after the pandemic. Now it started coming back and I got 1 pack of it because we can only take 1 per household. So it goes in for cleaning everywhere, bathroom, office, kitchen countertops, anything. So that's my pack of olive oil that I use on my daily basis cooking. So this is something I bought for my kids because last year we searched, we didn't get it. So this year I saw it in Costco, I just grabbed it. It was around $30, but I hope it's good and what I'm thinking it is like that when I open it. So that was all my Costco shopping was. So after the lunch, it was really sunny. So after a long time, we spent some time in the backyard. He wanted to play ball, so I was just playing around with him. It was really good and sunny. We didn't need any sweater, anything. So we just enjoyed some sun time outside, and he played a lot. He ran around and he played a lot. Actually, both of them played. She played some time and she went inside. But he really enjoyed the backyard and we sat there. We were drinking our tea. So now even our time has changed. Here they say daylight savings. So daylight savings started now. Daylight savings something that we move our clock ahead, and then we get more of daylight. Then we sat down and read some books. So usually 2-3 books a day I read for him. So these books we usually borrow from the library every week. So it usually comes with a lot of pictures and a lot of very easy words to understand. I feel it's more easy for them and binding in the world of reading. This helps in reading. So and also he likes to read, sit and listen to stories. So that's more easy for me to read to him, because then he also shows an interest. So he asks me questions and everything. So that way it's more interactive and a good time that we spend with each other, reading books and telling about what's happening in the pictures and what each picture is depicting, what the story is telling. So like that he loves to share the books. And actually I read like 2-3 books, but he brings in more books to read. He wants to hear more stories when it becomes more interesting. So like that we have a library that has like, there's no limit. We have so many types of books for every age group. I will share another video what books my daughter reads, what age level of books and what kind of books she reads. So basically these books are his, and that's how we spend time.
Beware of dog. She has a sticker. Beware of dog. The mailman comes to give her mail. But Rocky isn't all bad. Rocky doesn't bark when the mail is delivered. What a Rocky. And Rocky doesn't have accidents on the floor. She's doing pee and poop in the pot in the plants. She doesn't chew my toys either. Though she liked to play with my shoelaces, what else does Rocky like? Rocky likes to sleep in the sun and sleep on Dad's chair and sleep on Mom's clothes. Rocky really liked to sleep. I thought Rocky liked to play in the water. But she's not a fan of bath time. Come down, Rocky. See, Rocky still doesn't listen. She's a bad dog with black and white fur, pointy ears, and a cute little nose. You know what? I think Rocky would make a pretty great cat. Well, most of the time. Peppa's School Day.
So this is another book that we chose. So right now I am just taking a little level up, like little more words, including a little more words and more paragraphs, so that it will be more, I can make him sit a little more time binding into the stories. So these are the 2 books that we read on the particular day. And then we had an early dinner. I made aloo paratha. We were not interested to have something rice or something else, so I made an aloo paratha in the evening around 6. So that was our dinner for the night. I don't put a lot of ghee on the paratha. That's why you will not see a usual paratha that's too much of ghee, because we don't like much of ghee. Just to make the paratha a little binded, I use ghee. And then in the evening we were just sitting down to do some coloring. So he was telling me about all the colors. And we did some activities. I will share in another video what activities and what things I have from his preschool and what I make him do, how I spend time, and That's all for today. See you with another vlog. I hope you all stay safe and spend a lot of time with your family. If you like my vlog, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and be part of our beautiful family. Thank you. See you with another vlog next time. Till then, bye.